Hello, this is John Ray again, and this is my second video about the tools or programs that I recommend you to have on your PC. By the way, my first video was not a video tutorial, but rather it's just a video about the tools or programs that I recommend. But anyways, first of the tools or programs that I recommend you to have is the PowerSuite. It is the UniBlue PowerSuite. You can download it from its website, but it is costly. And if you want to download it for free, I'll just give you the link. Just send me your email. PowerSuite 2011. It is composed of Registry Booster, the Speed Up My PC, and Driver Scanner. The Registry Booster is very much useful for your computer because its function is to scan your PC for errors and automatically deletes it. When you scan it, click scan rather, it will scan your computer for system related errors, for user related errors, and for third party related errors. And when it is finished, you can just delete that errors to maximize your computer performance. I just stop the scanning, and let's proceed to the other program for the PowerSuite 2011, which is the Speed Up My PC. This is also very useful for your computer because it scans your PC for system tweaks and speed tools and for junk files which are not useful, and it really speeds up your computer. As you can see, my speed loss is just minor because I just scanned it earlier. I have one issue, and after it finishes scanning your computer, you can just delete that issues to speed up your computer performance. I'll just stop it. Stop. And the next tool for the PowerSuite 2011 is the Driver Scanner 2011. What this does is it scans your computer for outdated drivers and files new installation for the drivers online, and automatically downloads and installs the outdated driver. It's scanning my computer for an outdated drivers, and I think it will have no result because I just updated my driver, I think yesterday. I'll just stop it. And that's it for the PowerSuite 2011. If you want it full for free, I'll just send you the link on where to download it. The next tool or program that I recommend is the Nero. This is the Nero Multimedia. It is composed of all Nero products. The Nero 10 products is composed of the Nero Back It Up, the Nero Burning Room, the Nero Media Hub, the Nero Start Smart, the Nero Vision, and I think there's a lot more. I'll just put this 5 in the desktop because it's the most useful, but there are many other Nero products in the Nero Multimedia 10. Let's go to programs, PP, programs and features, and I'll show you the other Nero products that are in the Nero Multimedia 10. The Nero Back It Up, Burning Room, Burn Rights, Cover Designer, this copy, this Speed Express, Info Tool, Media Hub, Multimedia Suite, Recode, Rescue Agent, Soundtracks, Start Smart, Update, Vision, Wave Editor. And what this basically does is it edits your video files and burns it, and many more. It is very useful. And that's it for the tools or programs that I recommend. And if I found another tools or programs that is very useful, I'll just make a video and I'll post it as soon as possible. And that's it. Thank you.